Alright guys, as you can tell, these lights are bright. I'm in another machine I put them in, same lights. There's one in the corner down there, one up on the boom. And you can see, it lights this place. I mean, I know it's snow, obviously it lights it up a little more. But wow, these lights are bright. For $100 between both those excavators I showed you, I can see my truck all the way over there. These lights are amazing, well worth the money. Easy to set up, mounts work. These are great lights for an excavator. Great lights. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll put the link in the description to the product.